Start with a sellable product, not a scraper. The product is a brand and crisis radar for a small brand, NGO, campus unit, event team, or public figure. The paid outcome is simple. Approved public sources are monitored daily, risky signals are grouped into issues, and a human receives a short evidence digest before a problem becomes a crisis. Build the source layer first. Use Firecrawl or Crawl for AI for approved pages, browser use or Playwright when a page needs browser rendering, RSSHub or MiniFlex for feeds, SearXNG for discovery, and changedetection.io for watch pages. Keep a source registry with URL, reason for monitoring, terms or robots note, rate limit, and owner. Turn raw pages into clean records. Deduplicate, timestamp, store screenshots or archives when needed, and label each item by entity, issue, channel, sentiment risk, and confidence. If images or PDFs matter, add Tesseract, ArchiveBox, or minet. The deliverable is not a pile of scraped text, it is a reliable monitoring dataset. Add alert rules and human verification. N8N can run scheduled checks, send a daily digest, and route high-risk items to a reviewer. The rule is, no agent publishes claims directly. The agent can cluster, summarize, and cite. A person approves the finding, especially for PR, crisis, reputation, or public interest reporting. Package the commercial proof. Show a dashboard with issue counts, newest signals, source links, and a sample daily brief. Price it as a pilot, weekly monitoring for one brand, one event, or one campaign. The student portfolio should include the watch list, source policy, sample dataset, dashboard, digest, and a clear statement of what cannot be concluded.